Hello people! So today's video is just going to be a very chilled, relaxed video. I'm just going to do like a kind of chatty kind of get ready with me, and I'm just going to do my kind of everyday makeup, kind of like the makeup that I've been kind of going to and just what I've been just wearing recently. I haven't been wearing anything too heavy at the moment. But yeah, this is just kind of like my current everyday makeup, if you will. So if you want to get ready with me and see all the products that I use, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So I've just gone ahead and done my brows off camera because we all know I hate doing my brows on camera. I'm just going to do my eyes quickly. I'm not going to do anything like too fancy because I'm just going out for a little bit. I'm going to pop on the P.Louise eyeshadow base. So I don't really have like any new stuff for this video except maybe the foundation because I'm really excited to try that out. I'm just gonna be using kind of like what I've been currently using at the moment, or I've just kind of switched up some products just so I can, you know, use some makeup that I don't usually use all the time and that I'm just to kind of get me out of like my stuck routine that I feel like I'm just in. So before I actually do my eyes, I'm just gonna pop on some moisturizer because I don't know why I don't get dry. But my skin, like, it's been really dry at the moment, I don't know why, so just gonna pop on some moisturizer quickly. I've already put on a small amount of SPF. I don't put a lot on because, well, it's not sunny, but the foundation that I'm gonna use, it's actually got SPF in it already, so I'm not gonna, so I didn't apply too much of that. Any new stuff for this video because, oh by the way, I'm using the Bay EYN palette again, the fiery one. I've really been liking this. This is literally like the palette that I've been using like since I've got it. Like a bunch of new makeup that I've been like buying over like the past few weeks and stuff, and I'm just gonna keep that, and I've got like 2 videos like ready that I want to film. So one of them is going to be like a full face first impressions, and a lot of it is kind of affordable, to be fair. So there's a lot of drugstore makeup in that. I finally found a website where they sold Catrice, which is, I don't know if it's American, but I always hear a lot of American YouTubers talking about Catrice. It's a very, very, very affordable brand, and I've always wanted to try them and just kind of see if they're similar to Collection that we've got in the UK, what the brand is like, and I've always been wanting to try them, and I finally found a UK website that does Catrice, and I didn't have to pay like any customs or anything like that. Like, someone commented the other day on one of my videos, can't remember which one it was, but they just kind of reminded me that, because I can't remember what the comment was, but it was something about like doing more makeup tutorials, or that I haven't done one in a while or something like that. And then I looked back, like I looked at my channel, and then I just realised that I have not done an actual makeup tutorial in like a month. I was just kind of like, that's not normal for a makeup channel. I didn't actually realise, like when I was just looking at my channel, then I was just realising that I've been testing out a lot of stuff and like reviewing a lot of stuff, and obviously I've done like a few favourites videos and stuff recently. Done an empties video and all that kind of stuff, and I was just like, I haven't done a makeup tutorial. So I know this isn't like a tutorial, but at least I'm doing my makeup, you know, with you. So just in case anyone is wondering kind of what I'm doing, I've gone in with the shade Honey Roast, which is like the warm brown, and I've just used that as the main transition colour. And then I'm going in with Caramel Spice, which is this one. It's got a bit of shimmer in it, so I'm just gonna like tap off any if I can. I'm actually going to IKEA, which I'm looking forward to because I haven't been in a while, and I'm actually going to get another Alex 9 drawers to put behind me because my makeup is not okay, to the point where I genuinely feel bad for my makeup because it's just all crowded in there, and it needs help basically. So I've decided to just sort my makeup out. I need to get some more like organisers and slots and stuff to put back in. Creme Brûlée from Makeup Geek. I'm going to use this. It's just like a very, 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 very soft, cool brown. I'm just going to put this. I forgot how pigmented these are. I just realised you probably can't see anything. Put this over my lid. This is going to end up being a makeup tutorial, not a get ready with me. I think once I've done the eyes and I'm kind of on the face, then I can stop being all tutorial-y and I can just talk. I don't want the video to be super long either because it is just kind of like an everyday makeup. So yeah, let me just do the other eye and then I can carry on. Use eyeshadow to do like just some top lash liner, which I don't actually usually do. I use one of the Beauty Babe brushes. I don't think I've ever used this one. It's called On Fleek and it's just like a very flat little, I don't know how to explain that. It's just like a squared little, I don't know how to explain that. It's just along the lower lash line, like quite close to my lashes, and I'm just gonna do like a brown liner kind of situation. Put on some, I'm just in like a brown kind of mood today, I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna pop on the Colourpop eyeliner in the shade Mr. Bing. It's just a little, it's just a nice warm brown eyeliner. So for face primer, I have been obsessed with this. This is the Unicorn Primer Drops from Bay EYN. Video testing this out. It's supposed to be like a dupe for like the Farsali Unicorn Drop thing. Oh my god. Alright. One thing, like I love the product, like the primer is really good, I'm obsessed with it. But this dropper situation, it does not pick up anything. So affordable. And also like if you watched like the video of me testing it at the end, I just kind of show you that hair compared to like the other primer that I tested it with, like with the foundation, by the end of the day it, like you couldn't see, like my smile lines didn't show up as much, so that's really good. So if you're someone that has very deep set smile lines, or like you crease quite bad or something, because I always put it like under my eyes as well, then I feel like you're really gonna like this. If you have dry skin, I think you'll like this. It's actually not oily, and I usually get oily in my like cheek area, T-zone, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't like, it's not, it looks like it's going to be an oil because it's like that kind of elixir kind of drop situation, but it's not an oil, it's just very hydrating. It just kind of feels like a moisturizer. Been dying to try the most is this guy here. I was gonna save this for my first impressions video, but I can't wait. I just need to use it. I need to try it. I need to see if I like it. But I've got another foundation that's fairly newish, so I'll save that for the first impressions instead. But this is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This is not new whatsoever. Lights ravers about this foundation, and I'm usually like obsessed with anything that she loves. So yeah, I thought I could finally get it. Oh, this smells. It smells very paint-like. It looks like it's going to be okay for me. I'm actually going to try it with a brush. Is all on. I love how this looks on the skin. It just looks so natural. Apply the Shape Tape. I haven't used this in so long and I just thought I should. This is nearly empty, wow. To set that in place, I'm going to use the Nabla setting powder. I haven't used this in a while. This part quite quickly. I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line. I'm just going to use pretty much all the same shades that I've just used in my crease and just blend them on the bottom. For bronzer, I'm gonna just go in with my Elcie bronzer. I'm gonna go in with my Essence Satin Touch blush in Satin Bronze. It's just very lightly. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Peach Goddess. Just wanted something a bit more subtle. I mean, I say subtle. Spray my face. I'm going to be using the Body Shop Mandarin Energizing Face Mist. Just smells like oranges. For lips, I'm not going to use a lip liner. I'm just going to go in with a liquid lipstick. This is the Sephora Cream Lip Shine and it's in the shade Made in Italy. That is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me. All my get ready with me's end up being like a tutorial, but oh well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!